Did you know that the global timing chain market was valued at over $10 billion in 2023, and it's expected to hit $15 billion by 2031? That's massive growth and a major opportunity for the aftermarket. But why the boom? It's because OEMs have shifted from using timing belts to timing chains due to their durability and improved lifespan. And with drivers holding onto their vehicles longer, timing chain service demand is growing. So let's talk about the role of a timing chain and what it does. Its job is to control precise cam and crank timing by synchronizing the rotation of the crankshaft and camshaft, as well as transferring power to ensure the valves open and close at the correct times. This whole process ensures proper engine operation. Many higher mileage vehicles are now entering the sweet spot for timing chain repair, but keep in mind that replacement intervals aren't cut and dry. They're contingent on several factors such as vehicle type and driving style. For instance, if a car experiences more stop-and-go driving and tows heavy loads, or hasn't followed proper oil maintenance procedures, it may result in premature wear and the need for replacement sooner. In addition, some models have just needed them sooner for various reasons. For instance, VWs and Audis with the 2.0 TSI/TFSI engine tend to require replacement sooner. Also, several Ford vehicles, particularly those with the 5.4-liter Triton V8 engine and the 4.0-liter single overhead cam V6, have timing chains that need replaced earlier. Often, a check engine light, rattling or clicking noises, or rough idling and diminished acceleration are signs that a timing chain needs to be looked at. It's ideal to recommend a timing chain kit to your shop customers versus standalone components when they call for parts. Let's talk about why. Kits provide an easy method for a shop to ensure a thorough and complete repair. Timing chain jobs are complicated and can take hours, so a kit saves time by streamlining installation, reducing the risk of error, and avoiding issues that can occur due to a partial repair. Also, when using a kit, the parts are matched and designed to work together, which in turn improves vehicle performance. And finally, kits are easier to inventory, stock, and ship for both the parts seller and the shop. They reduce the number of SKUs and shelf space. A complete timing chain kit usually includes the chain, guides, cam phasers, VVT solenoids, tensioners, gears, and sometimes the seals and gaskets. Dayco recommends checking the contents against the engine family, model year, and VIN. Some kits vary depending on the engine design and manufacturer. When making recommendations to shop customers, suggest OE quality kits like this one. It includes all the components, has chains that prevent stretch, and precision engineered components. It's also backed by an industry-leading parts and labor warranty and comes with a link to instructions right on the box. Timing chain jobs are complex, but with the right tools, training, and complete kits, you can turn this growing market into a new revenue opportunity.